Hello and welcome today to another video on Yusuf Onobekun's channel where we talked about business, marketing and advertising. So on today, in addition to my previous video, which you can see the link above, where I talked about how to protect your account from hackers, which was as a result of a colleague of mine having his account hacked and adverts being set up with his payment method. So yeah, kindly take your time to subscribe to my channel because I can see that more people are not subscribed than are subscribed. This will go a long way in helping to serve you better. Thank you very much. So let's proceed into the video. So you move from you go to the business setting of your account to secure it, and you come down, you go to your security center. So in your security center you can see who and who is here. Now, as you can see, you are the only business admin. Add another admin to help if you are locked out of your account. So you can add another admin in this account using their email, and you can determine the access. So this is the other ones you can also add to the business manager. Now you can activate these 2FA, whereby if anybody is trying to access these accounts, you can see the moment you activate this 2FA, you need to review all the people that have access to this account. So this will help you to secure. Now this is two levels. If you watch the previous video, which I link above, you would see that this is how, in addition to you securing your main Facebook page, this is how you secure your Facebook ad account as well, to help you with preventing unauthorized access to your ad account. So thank you. See you in the next video.